Visual versus auditory learning. Have you ever wondered how you learn best? Are you more of a visual learner or an auditory learner? Understanding these styles can help you manage your time and study more effectively. Let's break it down. Visual learners are those who grasp information best when they can see it. They thrive on images, diagrams, and charts. If you are a visual learner, you probably think in pictures. Organizing your thoughts through notes or mind maps can be really helpful. This method allows you to plan ahead, which is essential for managing your study schedules and deadlines. For visual learners, using color-coded notes or flowcharts can make studying more engaging. Watching educational videos can also enhance your understanding. If you find it hard to focus during long lectures, try to ask for visual aids or even create your own. This way, you can keep your attention on the material. On the flip side, we have auditory learners. These individuals learn best through listening and speaking. If you are an auditory learner, you likely remember spoken information well. You might enjoy discussing ideas out loud or listening to lectures and podcasts. Recording lessons or reading notes aloud can reinforce your memory. Auditory learners often thrive in group projects where they can process ideas through conversation. For time management, using voice reminders or explaining your study plans to someone else can help keep you on track. Both learning styles have their strengths and challenges. Visual learners may struggle with verbal instructions alone, while auditory learners might find it difficult to focus on written text without hearing it. Many teens use a mix of these styles, so combining visual and auditory techniques can improve your understanding and retention. For productivity, knowing your learning style can help you choose study methods that save time. Visual learners can create visual schedules or checklists to track tasks. Auditory learners might benefit from setting verbal goals or using apps with audio alerts. Understanding whether you learn better by seeing or hearing can guide you to study smarter. This approach makes your time management more effective and your learning experience more enjoyable.